Hello everyone, I am Ivan Yogi studying in kindergarten. In this video, I am presenting some interesting facts about birds. Which is the fastest bird in the world? The peregrine falcon. It can fly at speeds up to 400 kilometers per hour. Which is the slowest bird in the world? The American woodcock. It can fly at only 8 kilometers per hour. Which is the world's smallest living bird? The bee hummingbird. This bird is just over 2 inches long. Which is the largest bird in the world? The ostrich is the largest and heaviest bird in the world. Ostriches cannot fly but can run at nearly 70 kilometers per hour. It also lays the largest egg in the bird kingdom. Which birds can fly backward? Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. Which birds cannot fly? There are about 60 bird species that cannot fly. Some of them are emu, kiwi, ostrich, penguin, steamer duck, weka, kakapo, cassowary, etc. Which bird has no wings? The kiwi is the only bird that has no wings. It is also the national bird of New Zealand. Which bird can rotate its head the most? The owl can rotate its head to a maximum of 270 degrees. Which bird does not make its own nest? The common cuckoo does not make a nest of its own. The female lays her eggs in the nest of other birds. Which bird can imitate many sounds? Lyrebird is capable of imitating almost any sound. Which bird has the loudest call? The white-billed bird is the loudest bird among all birds. Which bird drinks only rainwater? The Jacobean cuckoo, also known as pied-crested cuckoo, drinks only rainwater. Which birds only hunt at night? Night jars only hunt at night. Which bird has the largest wingspan? The wandering albatross has the largest wingspan of all birds. Which birds can swim but cannot fly? The penguins. They can also dive the deepest among birds and can hold their breath for almost 18 minutes. Which bird hunts by smell? The kiwi hunts by smell as it has very poor eyesight. Which bird migrates the longest? Arctic tern migrates the longest distance annually. Which birds can fly the highest? The Ruppel's griffon, vulture and the bar-headed goose are the highest flying birds in the world. Which bird has the longest beak? The Australian pelican has the longest beak among all birds. I hope you enjoyed learning about some of these interesting facts about birds. You can watch other such videos in my YouTube channel. I will soon be back with another